Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing, finally, the June BoxyCharm Premium. Okay, and for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I will leave all of the details down below so that if you decide you would like to try it out for yourself, there'll be a link down below just for you. So let's just jump right in and see what's in this month's box. This is definitely the premium box. When we open it up, it is blue and it says premium, of course. All right, and our theme for the month is Dare to Dazzle. Dare to Dazzle. Okay, the first item that we have is by Marc Jacobs, and that is this item right here, and it says this is the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. All right, and it says, oh, the packaging is nice. How about that? Okay, and the description card says, experience ultimate volume and the look of thick false lashes. This lash maximizing curvy brush places the most volume at the hard to reach center lash line and the defining tip styles lashes. Okay. This mascara's ultimate concentrated black pigment delivers the greatest impact, and the Flash Volume Complex creates instant smudge-free length and volume in 3 strokes or less. Okay, those are some claims, y'all. Those are some serious claims. Well, it's almost time for me to open up another mascara, so who knows, it might be this one, but we have so many. Maybe I'll put them out there and we'll ask you, see what you would like to see. That way we can check out the one you are most interested in. How about that? Okay, then the next item that we have is by Natasha Denona, and this is the Transformat Foundation, okay? Let's see. Let's just go back to the mascara for just a minute. It says the shelf life on this one is 6 months, and it's a 0.32 ounce size. Okay, now let's go back to the Natasha Denona foundation. It says it's a medium to full coverage, modern matte, liquid luxe foundation, and it's designed to blur pores, smooth and uneven textures, and protect your skin from environmental damage. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $45. Now, the shade that I have is 89 WY. It is dark. Okay, this is what it looks like on the box. All right, and this is a 0.94 fluid ounce size. And it has a 12-month shelf life. Paraben free, not tested on animals. Okay. Let's just check it out and see if I got my shade right. Okay, I think so. Okay, I did squirt it out. It has a little squirt top. Okay, so I guess this way you're actually able to get all of the product out of the tube. That'll be fantastic. It's a little liquidy, So let's just take a brush, because I put my foundations on with my brush and not with my hand. So, yep, I think I got my shade. Look at that. It's just a little darker than my hand, which is fine because so is my face. Okay. Looks like I got it spot on. Yes. Okay, it's kind of difficult to do foundations nowadays. You can't test them out in the stores or anything. So the next item that I have is by Wonder Beauty. And this is the Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. It's formulated with 1% retinol to amp up skin's natural renewal cycle and help diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and texture. It says it has squalene and peptides that hydrate skin and improve elasticity, while dragon's blood helps soothe the skin from environmental stressors faced during the day. All right, dragon's blood, really? We really need to find out what that is so I can show you, because I'm certain it's not what it sounds like. Okay, this one says it has a 12-month shelf life from the time that it is open, and it is 40 milliliters or 1.35 ounces. Let's see what the packaging looks like. Okay, this is what the inner packaging looks like, and it's a very pale pink shade with a gold top. Okay, all right, and the directions say to apply and gently massage a pea-sized amount onto cleansed face and neck at night. And that is item number 3. Then item number 4 is another eye cream. Mapilium, okay? Eye cream with vitamin C and quinoa extract. It says this eye cream contains quinoa extract, colloidal oats, and vitamin C, all of which work to reduce dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $39. And, oh, it also says it has coriander seed and marjoram. And it is a 0.5 fluid ounce size. This one has a 12-month shelf life as well. Okay, and the next item that I have is by Lashaholic. This is very interesting. I'm pretty sure my daughter's gonna claim these. I am almost positive, okay? And this is the super lightweight and ultra fluffy fibers on a soft cotton band that allows for style to meet comfort, made with a layered light crisscross pattern and tapered ends, leaving you with the ultimate natural glam look. Manufacturer's suggested retail price is $15.99, and the style I have, y'all could have told me it was upside down, but the style I have is called Kiss Me. It says every pair of Lashaholic lashes has been carefully handcrafted with the true Lashaholic in mind. Okay, and that is item number 5. Okay, and the last item that we have is by Daily Concepts, and this is the Daily Body Scrubber. And it says, starting the morning with this scrubber is the best way to reinvigorate your body and awaken the senses to be ready to seize the day. It gently exfoliates with its soft, natural, organic cotton surface, while the soy-based core creates a rich lather when partnered with a favorite cleanser. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $18. Okay, great product, absolutely. Daily Scrubber. Okay, I'm here for it. It says it's smart technology, cruelty-free. Let's just open it up and see. I have a challenge with this because when Premium was introduced, it was supposed to give you those amazing products that you did not get in the base box. Right now, I'm gonna tell you the items that I have here, I would have been okay paying for the base box. I really would have, because other than the Natasha Denona, I don't know. But this is what it looks like. And in the premium box, we get a scrubber. In the premium box, we get a scrubber. Really? Okay. I don't know. Am I becoming a little negative here towards BoxyCharm? What is going on with me? Okay. I guess because, have they yet responded? No, not at all. But okay. So, that's the last item that we received. Okay, well, let's not prolong things anymore. Well, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbox the Premium BoxyCharm box for the month of June. Here are the items that were included inside our premium box. Down below is the manufacturer suggested retail price for all the items that were enclosed. Okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.